Hello, we are group number 3. We're going to be talking about type of computers, from mainframes up to wearable computers. So, what is a mainframe? A mainframe is defined as a large, powerful computer typically used for complex calculations and data processing tasks. It can connect to multiple end clients simultaneously so that several users can access different applications and processes running on the mainframe concurrently without impacting performance or security. What do mainframes do? Mainframes carry out three essential tasks, so let's understand each one in detail. Act as a data warehouse orchestration system. That means that every computer has a hard drive for long-term data storage, but mainframe system store the entire data as an application inside themselves. Help enforce authentication and access permissions. Storing data and software files on a single mainframe system may increase efficiency, but it may also jeopardize data security. Allocate processor time and resources. Mainframe systems can divide a finite amount of processing power among all concurrently logging users. Consequently, the mainframe determines which type of priority correlates to which type of users. The mainframe administrator has the authority to determine these priorities and allot processor resources. Desktop PC, modern PC. The new XPC desktop, unprecedented performance and innovation. With an innovative design that distributes processing power to where you need it most. Streaming, browsing, video editing, and more. Up to 12 Gen Intel Core i9K processors give the boost you need for your biggest breakthrough. Next level memory. A DDR5 memory boosts up to 50% faster clock speed than DDR4 memory, while supporting capacities up to 64 gigabytes and speed up to 4,400 MHz. This means you can expect better overall performance, especially when managing large creative content or gaming with friends. The fans have the max speed of 5,000 RPM. They can also run slower, therefore at lower acoustics for required machine. Liquid cooling is the superior way to cool a CPU, as water transfer heats with more specificity and less noise than air. The XPS desktop with liquid cooling is cooler and quieter under load than the 125 watts thermal solutions. Dell's XPS desktop is compact and quiet enough for a small workspace, but can be loaded with 12th generation Core i9 processor and NVIDIA GeForce RTX 3080 Ti graphics card, up to 64 gigabytes of memory and 4 terabytes of storage, and there's still room inside for more.
Ultrabook, the best laptop for most people, including college students, writers, office workers, and community. They have great keyboard, screen, and battery life. They offer enough power to do everything most people need a computer for, and they are thin, light, and portable. HP Spectre by 3-sided 13.5 inches. The best Ultrabook trackpad is also thin and light enough to sleep in a pack and take an hour. The Spectre by 360 offers excellent battery life, a dark tone screen, and a reliable keyboard in. Specification: processor Intel Core A5-1335 UR Core A7-1535. Screen 13.5 inch 1920 by 12 edit touch. Memory 60 GB. Weight 3.0 pounds. Storage 512 GB SD. Test battery life 10.5 hours.
A tablet computer, commonly shortened to tablet, is a mobile device typically with a mobile operating system and touch screen display processes quietly, and a rechargeable battery in single thin and the flat package. Tablets being computers have similar capabilities but lack some input-output abilities that others have. Modern tablets largely resemble modern smartphones, the only difference being that tablets are relatively larger than smartphones, with screens 7 inches or larger measured diagonally and may not support access to a cellular network. Unlike laptops, tablets usually run mobile operating systems alongside smartphones. iPad Pro specification. Weight 688 grams. Dimension 280.6 by 214.9 by 6.4 millimeter. Operating system iPad 60. Screen size 12.9 inch. Resolution 248 by 207 34 pixels. CPU Apple M2. Storage 128 gigabytes, 256 gigabytes, 512 gigabytes, 1 terabyte, 2 terabytes. Micro SD slot, no. Battery up to 10 hours. Rear camera 12 megapixels plus 10 megapixels. Front camera 12 megapixels.
APDA, or Personal Digital Assistant, is a handheld electronic device designed for personal organization, productivity, and information management. PDAs were popular in the late 1990s and early 2000s. They typically featured functions like calendar, contact lists, now typing of application, and some models had the ability to connect to the internet and send emails. Over time, PDAs evolved in smartphones. We combine PDA's feature with cellular phone capabilities. While PDAs are less common today, their legacy can be seen in the smartphone technology we use extensively. Specification: calendar and scheduling, managing appointments, events into to-do lists, contacts, storing and organizing contact information, notes and memos, taking notes, creating to-do lists, and jotting down important information. Email, sending and receiving emails if it has connectivity capabilities. Document viewing documents, spreadsheets, and presentation. Task management, managing tasks and projects. Internet connectivity, accessing the internet for basic browsing and information retrieval. Media playback, playing music and videos, depending on device capabilities. Sub-apps, depending on the specific PDA, it might have additional apps for specific purposes. Keep in mind that modern smartphones and tablets offer all of these functions and much more, allowing with large screen, more processing power, and app ecosystem.